Here we are beginning the investigation of the 1986 Toyota MR2, possible head gasket repair and whatnot. So the car is on jack stands and the right rear wheel is removed. Again. Okay, here we've removed the air conditioner compressor and air meter and a few other parts. We're just getting started on some of the hoses and things. This is a picture of the engine drain cock. This is the bolt to loosen, to let the water out of the bottom of the engine. We just put this hose on. The only way we could really find this easily was by removing the air conditioner, air compressor, and the mounting rack. This is the TVIS removed and the intake manifold. Okay, we removed the head and head gasket. It did have some damage, and we will continue on this project. Here's the cylinder head gasket and showing the area of damage. I guess it's the number 4 cylinder. The rest of it looked pretty good. Here we are starting to clean the head here, the gasket, old gasket material off the head. Scraping it. Out all this was kind of filled up with carbon deposits. Little holes were blocked. We probably drilled them out. These two. These two up a little cleaner. Okay. Here's some of the parts we cleaned up. Cams, buckets, little shims. Trying to clean up some of the areas. Removing the old gasket material. These are pretty dirty inside here. There we are. We covered up all the holes in the head here and just scraping off the old gasket. Carbon out the piston. We rotated the engine a little bit and cleaned up the other 2 cylinders. Locking cylinders and cleaned all the surface of the block now. Tried to block all the holes up.
This is the braze repair done by my welder friend. And he wasn't very confident that it was going to do much, but thought we'd try it out and we'll see what happens. We'll see how it holds up.
These are the buckets and the shims that we cleaned up, and I'm just installing them back in now. I put the new gasket in and the head down, and then torque the head bolts down in the proper sequence. And we're just putting the pieces back together. So this is showing you the timing chain is back on, and the head camshafts are down and tightened. torqued. Put a little bit of oil on them and install the seals on the end. Okay, now we have the distributor back in and the timing chain cover, the intake manifold, DVIS, spark plugs, spark plug wires. We started putting in some of the connectors and the oil
Coil, exhaust manifold.
coil, exhaust manifold connected. Okay, it is back together, ready for the first startup after the head gasket repair.
Okay, here's our grand starting after rebuild. We're gonna give it a try. What do you think of that? You got oil pressure?
Yes, we do. Oil pressure here, temperature, the gas voltage, the brake on, pedal.
No steam, not too much steam out the back.
Good.
First start after rebuild.
We suspect the distributor drive is one tooth off. We could not get the timing marks to line up, so we're letting everything cool down and we're going to move that distributor over maybe one tooth and put new oil in, and we'll try it again.